one is not a replacement for the other. This program is not a replacement for therapy, and therapy is 1000% not a replacement for your reboots, but you can do both of them together. How do you distinguish between what this program is designed to address versus what's being handled in ongoing in person therapy? And how should participants know when it's time to seek that additional support? This is actually a very good question, Nicholas. First of all, we're not just accepting randoms into this program. Everybody is screened, and all the reboot strategists are trained to screen you. You're screened from everything, from the application till the time you get to a reboot strategist. We also have a trauma informed coach in the form of Dr. Eastman here. That's not to say that we're dealing with therapy. What it does mean to say is that all the things that you have been screened for before you came into the program, none of them are significant impediments to your ability to reboot. We do not believe in this thing that, oh, my trauma is getting in the way of my rebooting. Yes, you may have some faulty core beliefs and you may have experienced some traumatic behavior, but controlling your behavior does not have much to do with that. Yes, you could be in a situation where you're like, you know what, my preferred coping mechanism for when this traumatic experiences come up is pornography. That's fine, but nothing is stopping you from changing that to something else. We have seen it happen over and over and over again. As for when is it time to seek that additional support, you can seek that support at any time you like, brother, right? My suggestion to guys is that it is best to do it together, right? Concurrently. While you're getting therapy, continue with your reboot. One is not a replacement for the other. This program is not a replacement for therapy, and therapy is 1000% not a replacement for your reboots, but you can do both of them together. He said, how do you distinguish between what this program is designed to address versus what is handled in ongoing in-person therapy? What is handled in ongoing in-person therapy is between you and your therapist. Now, there are very few therapists out there who are sufficiently trained and experienced in dealing with pornography addiction. So that would be the first thing. Your pornography addiction is handled here, and any other issues which may come up as you go through the reboot process and learn more about yourself. Let's say you find out while you're rebooting, oh my goodness, I have a lot of OCD tendencies. Well, therapy would be a wonderful place to start working on that, right? But a good question.